The Statue of Liberty, New York City by Miguel Rojas. History. French sculptor Frédéric Bartholdi collaborated with French engineer Gustave Eiffel to create the statue. They designed the massive structure using this founding copper sheets covering a steel framework. Eiffel, also responsible for Paris Eiffel Tower, and created the frame of the statue. Its design and construction were considered an engineer masterpiece of the 19th century. American architect Richard Morris hand designed its pedestal. Completed in 1884, the French warship Isher transported the statue in 350 parts on peak in 214 crates. It was dedicated on October 28 on 1886, according to the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island Foundation website. So the next is physical description about the Statue of Liberty. This appears tiny when viewed from the Brooklyn Bridge. However, at close range, in an expressive figure in the New York Harbor, from pedestal to tip, the 225-ton statue is 305 feet 6 inches, with the face measuring more than 8 feet tall. There are 154 steps from the pedestal to the head, and the figure has 35-foot waistline. So the Statue of Liberty is rain coloring result from the effects of the weather condition in Cooper. In 1986, the Cooper torch was replaced by a torch overlaid with the 24-karat gold. You look at this picture, you look the Statue of Liberty. The symbol links to this monument. The physical features of this Statue of Liberty carry significant meaning. The broken shackles at Liberty feet signified a breaking away from tyranny and oppression. The seven rays on her crown stand for the 7 continents, each 9 feet long and weighing as much as 115 pounds. The National Park Service states that 25 windows in her crown represent Henson found in the air and heavy rain shining over the world. Her torch is easily understood to be lighting the path to freedom, and it reflects the sun during the day and it's illuminated by the 16 floodlights at night. The next is about the touristic activities that you can do in this monument, the Statue of Liberty, and you can Statue of Liberty exhibit. You can walk around this place, video at the visitor of information stations. Now, audio tour of Liberty Island, the tours exhibit, the promenade and observatory tour around this place. So this is some aspects about this place, the Statue of Liberty. So yeah, so thank you very much.